Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? How have your week been? Nice, I guess. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing a few clips with you on how I achieved this not less realistic braid. Okay, so really, it's not a tutorial video, so don't expect me to start going step by step here. I just want to show you what I can do and how I achieved what I can do. So this wig is a glueless wig. Yeah, you don't need glue, you don't need any kind of free spray whatsoever. Just put it on and take it off whenever you want. That's what this wig is all about. So let's get to how I made it. So first of all, I started off by ventilating my full lace wig. Like I said, it's a full lace wig, realistic braid. So I went ahead to ventilate the full lace wig first of all. And when I was done ventilating, I went ahead to section the hair. Really, this ventilating, I have a video on how to ventilate, just in case you do not know how to ventilate yet and you want to learn. Actually, in this video I'm not going to do anything about, like I said, it's not a tutorial video, so I just went ahead to ventilate. Yeah. And when I was done, this was exactly what I had. Sorry about the clip is quite small because it's actually because of the way my phone was positioned while I was filming. I'm really sorry about that. Okay, so I just went ahead to do some little brushing here and there to like straighten out the hair. I used my normal expression braiding hair. You know, it's normal expression braiding hair to do all of the ventilating because I'm still going to braid on it, so there's really no need using a human hair for this. But if you have a full laced wig that is a human hair, you can go ahead to use that. Okay, so when I was done, like I said before, when I was done ventilating, I went ahead to section the whole hair. Yeah. The main reason why I did this is so when it's time for me to braid, I would have really little or no business to do with the comb whatsoever. So I just went ahead to do this to make my work a little bit easier and faster. And so there you have the sections. I just did what I know would make my work easy. But if you feel this will make your work easy, you do not really need to do this. Like I said before, it's not a tutorial video, so you can skip everything I did here. As long as you achieve your not less realistic braids, no problem, you're good to go. And voila, poopa. Okay. Okay, what was poopa? I don't even know. But anyways, this is my braided wig. When I was done, you can see how fine the wig is. To think of the length, oh my god, the length is 36-inch long. Okay, this is what I want, so this is why I made the wig like this. So don't think every wig I make is going to look like this. You just have to give me your specifications, just in case you do not like this one. If you want something different, go ahead to give me your specifications, okay? And I'm going to deliver it just the way you want it to you. You don't have to worry about all of that. Just let me know what you want and I'm going to deliver what you want to you. Okay, like I said again, this wig is a glueless wig. You don't need any freeze spray whatsoever, any spray gel or whatever. You don't need anything to take this down. No styling, no whatever. Just put it on your head and take it off when you want to. That's all. I know you like this video. If you like it, let me not say I know you like it. If you like it, give it a huge thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.